Stops cord and handle breakage. Full grip cushioned handle. 42 stainless steel cable with nylon jacket. Fits most trolling motors. Hook and loop restraint strap. This trolling motor replacement release and lift system is a rugged, nylon-jacketed stainless steel cable with a large comfortable cushioned grip handle which solves the problem of the cheap lift and release ropes on today's trolling motors. As trolling motors become more powerful, complex and heavy, the lift systems from the manufacturers have not kept pace. Too often fishermen are faced with broken ropes and handles often in critical times. The G-Force handle solves that problem once and for all. Fits most models and makes. The G-Force handle comes complete with a hook and loop strap to secure to the motor shaft while underway. This product will last and can lift in the most difficult situations. Not recommended for use on Minn Kota Edge or Motorguide Pro models. Top reviews from the United States. A must-have. If trolling motor manuf would just go ahead and spend about $2 more on materials and install something similar, there would be no need for this. This handle is sturdy and you will never have to worry about falling and either breaking your rods, falling in the water, or having to explain to your fishing partner why you are cussing so much when that stupid cotton nylon rope breaks as soon as you try to stow or deploy your trolling motor. Again, let me tell you what a pain it is to have to buy something like this due to manuf deciding not to put a quality cable on the release so you don't have to take your trolling motor out of the clamp when it breaks while deployed. Oh, did I mention it always happens when you need to get that bad boy up out of the water? But I own 2 of these on 2 different boats and I snatch and pull on them like I am trying to start old push mower, and I have not broken or had any failures. My advice is to just buy it before you even have to experience a rope failure. Your body will appreciate it as you will not experience sudden spike in blood pressure as you're picking yourself up off the deck or floor of your boat. Enjoy.